In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock an image to a precise spot on the page so it doesn't jump around when you add or edit text. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. Click the official Google Docs link to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, open the document where you want to fix the image and let it fully load so all the editing tools are available. Click once on the image you want to fix in place. When you select it, a small floating toolbar will appear just beneath the picture. If your window is narrow, it may shift slightly, but it should be close to the image. On that toolbar, look for the text wrapping options. Choose either wrap text or break text. Wrap text lets the surrounding text flow around the image, while break text places the image on its own line with text above and below. Either of these gives you better control than inline with text when you're preparing to fix the position. Next, on that same floating toolbar, open the positioning drop-down. It typically says Move with Text by default. Change it to Fix Position on Page. This tells Google Docs to anchor the image to a physical spot on the page instead of tying it to a particular line of text. After you switch it, you can click and drag the image to the exact place you want, and it will stay locked there even as you add paragraphs or make edits elsewhere. If you need precision, use the page rulers or zoom in for a closer view while dragging. If you prefer a more exact method, click the 3 vertical dots on the floating toolbar and choose All Image Options. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. Expand the position section. Here, you can type in the exact offset from the top of the page and the left margin. This is perfect when you need consistent placement across multiple pages or documents. Small adjustments like nudging by 1/10 of an inch or a few millimeters can make a big visual difference. If you see units you're not used to, you can still type values in your preferred unit and Docs will convert them. That's it! Choose wrap or break, set fix position on page, and fine-tune in the sidebar if needed. Your image will now stay exactly where you want it.